Welcome to Exam Sale. This script outlines the syllabus for the Dell Specialist Technology Architect exam for Power Macs and VMAX All-Flash solutions and explains what you must learn to prepare. This exam covers 6 domains with weighted focus: VMAX All-Flash and Power Macs Remote Replication 25%, VMAX All-Flash and Power Macs Local Replication 20%, VMAX All-Flash and Power Macs Configuration 18%, VMAX All-Flash and Power Macs Technology Architect Solutions 15%, VMAX All-Flash and Power Macs Hardware 12%, and Security and Management 10%. Each domain lists difficulty, estimated study time, and assessment type so you can plan study priorities and practice scenario-based tasks. VMAX All-Flash and Power Macs Remote Replication is weighted at 25%, labeled hard, with an estimated 24 hours of study and scenario-based assessments. You will learn SRDF modes including SRDF synchronous and SRDF asynchronous operations, the latency and cycle time trade-offs, and how to choose modes to meet recovery point objectives. The domain also covers 3 site topologies such as SRDF star and cascaded, SRDF concurrent for high availability, and SRDF metro concepts including witness and v-witness configuration for split brain prevention and host multipathing considerations. VMAX All-Flash and Power Macs Local Replication carries 20% of the exam, marked medium difficulty with 18 hours of study and scenario-based assessment. This section teaches Time Finder SnapVX architecture, how snapshots are created and terminated, and the underlying copy-on-write and redirect-on-write mechanisms that affect space and performance. You will practice designing cascaded snapshot hierarchies, implementing secure snapshots for ransomware protection, configuring linked targets for read-write access, and defining retention and expiration policies for automated local protection. VMAX All-Flash and Power Macs configuration accounts for 18%, is hard, and requires about 15 hours of study with conceptual and scenario-based questions. Candidates will learn storage provisioning and resource management including storage resource pools, storage groups, and service-level objectives for performance tiering, plus thin provisioning and capacity reporting distinctions. The domain also covers host connectivity and masking, teaching how to create masking views, design redundant pathing for fiber channel and ISCSI, configure host I/O limits for COS, and verify connectivity using Unisphere for Power Macs. VMAX All-Flash and Power Macs Technology Architect Solutions is 15% of the exam, considered easy with 10 hours of study and mixed assessment types. This domain focuses on core system architecture and solution features so you can identify Power Macs 2000 and 8000 capabilities and describe dynamic cache partitioning and global memory behavior. You will also learn data reduction engine workflows, NVMe and NVMe over Fabric benefits, the high availability design of array engines, and scale-up and scale-out expansion options for different solution requirements. VMAX All-Flash and Power Macs hardware is weighted at 12%, medium difficulty, with an estimated 10 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. You will differentiate bricks and V-bricks when scaling arrays, identify engine components such as directors and memory, and describe back-end SAS and NVMe connectivity modules. The domain also covers physical layout topics including power and cooling placements, front-end and back-end I/O module configurations, and rules for bay layout and component placement when designing scalable hardware solutions. Security and Management is 10% of the exam, medium difficulty, with about 8 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based questions. Study Unisphere for Power Macs for daily administration, Solutions Enabler SYMCLI for scripting, and REST APIs for orchestration. You will also implement role-based access control, configure LDAP or Active Directory authentication, and manage secure audit logs and system alerts to meet governance and compliance requirements. That wraps up the syllabus overview for the Dell Specialist Technology Architect exam for Power Macs and VMAX All-Flash. Use the domain weights, difficulty, estimated hours, and topic list to build a focused study plan and practice scenario-based tasks to prepare for the assessment.